How to mention everyone on Facebook comment. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. After that, go to any post. I'm simply gonna click on my own post and click on comment. After you click on comment, in comment, simply type in @ and type in everyone. If you have friends, everyone will be mentioned. In my case, I don't have any Facebook friends, so there is no option for mention. If you type in @ and everyone from your friends list will be mentioned. And this is how to mention everyone on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.